Important to understand that Congress politician, in fact, Udit Raj has launched the murderer jibe at the Chief Election Commissioner. Important to understand that he said that the Chief Election Commissioner visits the temple and that no temple visit can fix murderer's sins. He's further gone on to say that the sins cannot be washed away. Important information we're tracking at this hour as the Congress politician has in fact hit out at the Chief Election Commissioner. In fact, he's gone on to say that no temple visit can fix the murderer's sin and that the sins cannot be washed away. Of course, this comes right after the Chief Election Commissioner visited a temple. The Congress has reacted to this, lashing out at the Chief Election Commissioner and saying that no such visit to a temple can fix the murderer's sin. Let's also listen in to what the leader had to say.
भी बतलाता है कि कितने सालों पहले भारत की संस्कृति और विज्ञान कितने विकसित भी थे और जनमानस में कितने बसे हुए भी थे। यहाँ के स्कल्पचर्स, यहाँ की माइथोलॉजी और किस साइंस के तरीके से कोण और आर्क सन के इस टेम्पल को बनाया गया था, जानकर अचरज भी होता है और ये भी विश्वास आता है कि कोणार्क का मंदिर भारत का मान भी है और सम्मान भी है।
काफ़ी आदमी हैं और दूसरा है कि जो लोकतंत्र हत्या करने में उस आदमी की बड़ी अहम भूमिका है। तो जो पापी होते हैं, हत्यारे होते हैं, चाहे जितने तीर्थ कर लें, चाहे मंदिर में जाएं, उनका पाप नहीं धुल सकता है।
Well, on this, my colleague Shreya joining us on the broadcast. Shreya, of course, this is a scathing attack launched by the Congress towards the Chief Election Commissioner. The Congress politician has gone ahead to call the Chief Election Commissioner a murderer.
That's right, Reet. What could be seen as a routine visit by a public servant to appreciate the cultural heritage of our country just gave a chance to the opposition, the Congress, to further mudslinging. But we understand they're talking about the CC Gyanesh Kumar, and we understand this war of words, this escalation is taking place when the Congress has been attacking the CC, saying that he's allegedly biased towards the ruling BJP and has been allegedly disenfranchising voters, especially the Congress leading the opposition leaning names are being removed, the voters are being removed. These allegations have been coming up from the side of Congress, and at a time like that, we see Congress's national spokesperson Udit Raj calling the CEC, Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, a murderer, a sinner, and he says that no matter how many temples you go visit, your sins will never wash away. Even Odisha's Congress chief also went on to say that his sins are basically what, as Congress alleges, of disenfranchising voters that will not wash away no matter how many times he visits the temple. But on the other side, as you heard Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, he was simply appreciating and honouring the cultural heritage of the Konark temple in Odisha. He was visiting Odisha for a 3-day visit with his family on Saturday, and that's when he was appreciating the beauty of these two temples and the cultural heritage that it withholds. Back to you.
Right, absolutely. A spiritual visit, of course, turned into a political flashpoint. Thank you so much, Shreya, for joining us and sharing those details with us.